Next topic is alone. Question number 1. When was the last time you were alone? Answer: last night. I had come from a stressful day of work, so I decided to stay in for the entire evening with some Netflix and a hot tea. Although I'm a kind of person of social butterfly and I have come to enjoy nights in by myself from time to time, I think all of us need that as a balance. Question number 2. What do you like to do when you are alone? Answer: as I am a tea addict, that's my number one activity to do alone. Furthermore, I enjoy reading a book or a series on Netflix. I tend to get lost in those two activities. Moreover, I enjoy taking a walk alone around the town and people watching. Here, the vocabularies used or the phrases used were social butterfly. It's associated with a social person. Next was get lost in. That means to become fully involved in. And the last was people watching. That means observing strangers. Question number 3. Do you wish to have more time alone? Answer: definitely not. As I live alone in a studio apartment, I sometimes get lonely. So I take every opportunity to have social interactions to avoid sitting at home alone. I would consider myself a mixture between introvert and extrovert, but definitely leaning more towards extrovert. Although I definitely appreciate my time alone, I certainly don't crave anymore. Question number 4. Is it important to have some time alone? Answer: without a doubt. I think we all need some time alone for self-reflection. Furthermore, when we spend too much time with people, we tend to get annoyed with them, even take them for granted at times. With this said, we all need a break from people to remember just how great they are. Vocabularies used here. First is crave, which means have an urge to do. Next was self-reflection, which means thinking about yourself and what you do. And the last word was take them for granted, which means not appreciate them. Thank you.